This is Caesar 4.25.3. We're jumping off the boats into the water on the island of Britain. Now, I'm going to chunk this up for you. First, we have nostris militibus cunctantibus. This is an ablative absolute, and it goes from about here to here. It's got this prepositional phrase in here, so that's kind of a subordinate. But we're going to make this thing into a whole sentence. Then, qui, this bit here, we're going to start a new sentence with qui. We're going to say they instead of who. And we're just going to go to there, who we're carrying. And then we're going to start again here. Now, this is just a participle. Means beseeching the gods or having beseeched the gods. But we're going to say he beseeched the gods. And we've got a purpose clause attached to that here. And then we're going to start here. Jump, says he, my fellow officers, unless you want to betray the eagle. So that's a chunk there. And then this last bit here. All right, so I've got this all laid out on a different sheet of paper. Here's how it goes. So, nostris militibus cunctantibus. Now, as an ablative absolute, this translates, while our men were delaying. So instead, we're just going to say, our men were delaying. They were hesitating, mostly because of the depth of the sea. Mostly because of the sea's depth. All right, period, sentence, right? Now this qui refers back to our soldiers, and so you'd normally say who. In this case, we'll just change it to they. Ferrebont were carrying or bearing. Direct object, the eagle. Oops, eagle, there it is. Of the 10th Legion. Of the 10th Legion. All right. Period. Sentence number 2. Now, obtestatos Deos. The subject of this, you've got to know that this is Caesar. So we'll start with Caesar. Prayed or beseeched to the gods. Ut, eveneret, that eares, this business, come out well for the legion. Alrighty. Period. Another sentence there. Jump down, says he. Sure. I can even make 2 sentences there. Actually, since this means unless, yeah, we got to kind of include it there. We got to string it along. Unless, Woltus, you want to betray the eagle, the Aquila, to the enemy. Okay. So now you've got these 4 sentences here. Our men were delaying, mostly because of the sea's depth. Qui, they were carrying the eagle of the 10th Legion, period. Obtestatos, Caesar prayed to the gods that this business come out well for the legion. Feliciter kind of means happily, but I translated it as well. Desilite, jump down, says he, my fellow officers, unless you want to betray the eagle to the enemy. Period. 1, 2, 3, 4.